Welcome to all learner in at your online classes. So in this session I am discuss about the new type of database that is known as a Libreoffice base. It is open source software, so you can easily download from the internet. So let's begin the session. So base is an open source database management system, and it allow us to easily create, access, modify and view the database. So it is very important to for us, because the earlier database which like MS Access which we are accessing, so these all are the paid version software. So this base is a free version software which we can easily get from internet. So it is again say as like open source software. Next, let's see some basic concepts of the database management system. First of all, what is data? It means that the fact, figures and its related details are known as data, but its relation with the people, place, things or any events occurs. So it all together collectively known as the data. Data may be in the form of written, oral and computerized, or sometime it will be non-computerized. It is an original form, may or may not such much use, but all things are considered as a data. Data is processed in a proper way, generate the useful and its meaningful information, because when we process the data, it gives us a meaningful information which we are used for making a decision. So information is required as a result obtained from processed to the data. Of course, data give us a processed information which has some meaning. So it is used for lots of things. By using this information, we can create our decisions, and also it is important in our surrounding also. And for example, we can decide the thing which we want to require at that moment. Information is the output generated through this processed raw data, because raw data is always raw data. It is processed, then we get the information. Information is important, like I said, that it is useful for the decision making. Next, let's see some basic components which are important in this study. So database is a collection, it is a basic definition of our database. It is a collection of related data items that is stored in organized manner. It means that the information is stored in its organized order, so which we can access for our operation purposes. If it is not organized, we are unable to get the desired output. A database consists of different type of objects like table, query, form and the report. First is the table. Table is a collection of a related data. Again, it is made by rows and the columns. Then query, it is used to retrieve information from this database. Then form is used to collect the information from the user, like us. When we are filling any form online or offline, we are putting some values in it. Value is nothing but one type of data we are inserting in the form. So when it will be inserted into the system, it gives us a meaningful information. That means that form is used as an input for a database. Next is the report. It is used to represent data in the printed form. So lastly, we get the report, which is our output of the database, or we are used as our result analysis. Then next, database management system software basic details more. So it is nothing but software designed to define, manipulate, retrieve and manage data in the database. It provides different type of function which allows entry, storage, retrieval, all large quantities of information, and provide how it will be managed in this information for us. It defines some rules, to validate and manipulate our data. Then discussing some basic information about the base. So base is nothing but one type of RDBMS, that is relational database management system. It is related data model because it is comes under the RDBMS. So RDBMS using relational database concept. It is internal structure of a database which describes storing and retrieving of information. It means we are keeping this information in our system, and whenever we required we are accessing this information as per our need. Relational data model is one of the most popular data model because it is very simple. It is the main feature of this type of database to understand and to manipulate it. So it is convenient for us. In the RGBMS, the information is stored in simple and versatile way. So that is nothing but a table, which is the main feature of this base. Next, base is collection of related data objects known as table, forms, query and the reports. So all things we are discuss in this chapter. Next, to start or install the Libreoffice, we just go to the official website and click to start. Then we can move to the all programs, then Libreoffice base, a database wizard will be start for us. So it is very easy to install and very easy to access the software. For creating a new database, again it is a simple few steps we are required. To create a new database, we have to select create new database and click on the next button. Then if we want to save our work, we select save and proceed and click on to the finish button. The save as option also appear on the screen. Select the desired location which we want to store on your system or in the space where you want to save it. Then type the database file name and click the save button. So by default extension of this base is .odb. So next section we see the basic of the base screen and its related parts like menu bars, how it is differ from other databases. So see you again. Thank you.